So when we're working with clients, what's important to us is to be a partner. We want to work with them to support their growth, help them achieve their objectives as an organisation. As such, a relationship that's based upon trust, on shared values, on respect. We want to work with organisations who believe what we believe, that additive manufacturing is going to change people's lives. And if we truly believe that about an organisation we work with, then we're incentivised to really help them recruit talented people. At the same time, when working with candidates, the same can be said. We really want to support their growth, and we very much look to help candidates realise their potential within additive manufacturing so that they can have an impact that will ultimately go on to, as we believe, change people's lives. As an organisation, Alexander Daniels Global, we don't think of ourselves as a recruiter. We're an enabler, for this fantastic technology. We position ourselves as thought leaders within the industry. We've now completed 3 annual salary surveys, which is a barometer for really what's happening in the industry in terms of salaries globally. We have produced a talent market white paper, which really does sort of spell out what challenges the industry faces as far as talent is concerned. And I think this does set us apart as a thought leader rather than as just a recruiter, really.